Excellency, all ministers available today, all protocol observed, I take this opportunity to humbly welcome you on the commissioning of Nakivubo Stadium. Your Excellency, we are humbled by the fact it's because of your guidance and political blessing that I, for one, have been able, as an ordinary Ugandan, to put up such a structure. Your Excellency, I take this opportunity to introduce to you the team that has been behind this project you are commissioning today. Starting with management, which is sitting over here. Your Excellency, today we didn't invite anyone outside the perimeters of people that were direct participants in the implementation of this project. And I would humbly inform you that we are proudly Ugandans who have come together and put up this project from the start to where it is today. Your Excellency, all the people you see here are the Ugandan ladies and gentlemen that have been working on this project. Your Excellency, 10 years back in 2014, I came to you seeking for your political blessing to do this project. And indeed, you told me, my son, you have my blessing. And Your Excellency, I'm so humbled for the fact that ever since I left you in 2014, that was December, I've always had your support and your blessing. Thank you so much, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, we've had a lot of hardships here and there, but within the perimeters of reason, it will be unjustified for me to simply narrate the story of the hardships I've had when I've got such a project today being commissioned by His Excellency. In reason, we look at substance rather than formation. What matters today is the fact that the project is here and it is being commissioned by His Excellency. Your Excellency, I for one, I don't expect to be appreciated for doing the same, for I take it for an obligation as a Ugandan that it is my own responsibility to devote myself, but at the same time, develop my country collectively. And Your Excellency, I take this opportunity to talk to my fellow Ugandans that this is a direct reflection of your effort and struggle. The prevailing circumstances created by the current NRM regime,
as he said, he came some years ago. First of all, Chun is a young man who I think was born after NRM had come into power, but who is a real NRM by being innovative and knowing that you can get prosperity in Uganda. This is what we have been telling you. Twabagamba bwe twali mu nsiko nti Uganda esobola kwemalirira mbyokwekuuma. Mu budde obwo Abannayuganda okusinga abasoma n'abatasoma baali bakimanyi nti bw'oyagala kukola ekintu kyonna olina okukola n'abazungu. Ffe ne tugamba nti nedda, omuddugavu omutwe gw'entanana gw'omuzungu, byonna bye basobola kukola naffe tusobola okubikola, n'olwekyo tetwetaaga ab'ebweru okutuyamba mu bya security. Bwe tutyo that's what we did when we were in the bush. So the government here was inviting foreigners to come and fight for them, but for us we were building Bakadogo in Luwero. And when the Kadogos came to the town here, we chased all the armies ran away. amajagali wano agamini agobote gani bona bali wano town fe abomusko twajja ne baduka. Why? Because NRA was a Ugandan product. It was not a product from UK, from KR, from no. Amajiga Uganda. Now, that spirit of self-sufficiency, we have put it in economics, we have put it in politics. Like, for instance, when we had the issue of Ekisaawe, abazungu bwemutakiriza ebisyeyi tugenda kubasalako obuyambi. Obuyambi bwa kika ki? Wano Uganda byonna byetwetaaga weebiri wano. Nze sirya muceeri, sirya migati, siri muzungu, ndya kalo. Munda wa myaka 8 ndi ku kalo. Abantu balabaka bati engalo tegenda kugenda, nze sirya ngalo. Mbeera ku muhogo, gonja, akalo, gemanyi gemulaba ku myaka 8. Therefore, on the issue of the economy, just like in the issue of security, we can do our own things. So therefore, a young man like Kigguddwawo, young, who believes in that philosophy, because that's your problem. Abadulavu kyejo mwebuusabuusa, nze seebuusabuusa, buntawanya nkubirawo. So I want to really congratulate and thank Kigguddwawo because he has been able to show that attitude, not only in this project but even in other projects. Now, when he came with this idea, bolwawo okusalamu ofa omuyekera talwawo. So when Kigguddwawo came, it was a clear idea. There is a government asset called Nakivubo. You lease it to me, I develop it using private money, and then I recover my cost through the collections and also the other businesses I will do around there in 49 years. So this was clear. What is the problem? So I told the people who said, you support this man. If he doesn't perform, we shall throw him out. If he performs, he will recover his money. Because what we want is not a government stadium. Obaya government, obaya Ekeresia, obaya, it's not important. What we want is a stadium.